KDKA investigation getting action a year and a half after we exposed a local tow truck operator charging victims as much as $11,000 a tow. He's taking a plea deal to avoid possibly going to jail. KDKA lead investigator Andy Sheehan first reported on the towing practices of Vince Fannick and Fannick Towing, and Andy was there when Fannick went to court today.
You got a plea bargain, Vince? Facing 151 counts of fraud and theft by deception, tow truck operator Vince Fannick headed into District Judge James Hanley's courtroom, waiving his hearing and agreeing to make restitution to victims while pleading guilty to some charges.
I feel like he stole my car. Yeah, I just want my car back.
The plea bargain comes a year and a half after we first exposed Fannick's towing. Prosecutors turned predatory, charging some 36 victims $8, $9, $10, and as much as $11,000 to tow their cars short distances and holding the vehicles hostage until they pay up. In each case, Fannick charged the victims thousands for the tow and thousands more for phantom recovery, gate, and administrative fees, alleged services which prosecutors say were never performed. Instead of fighting the charges, Fannick waived his hearing and will plead guilty to some counts when he's formally arraigned in May. County detectives and members of the Attorney General's office would not reveal the details of the plea, but sources say he'll be on house arrest and need to make restitution to victims.
A significant penalty for predatory towing. So I believe it'll send a message.
Didn't you have any second thoughts about your towing?
He's not going to talk to the press today.
Fannick said nothing leaving the court, but sources say as part of his agreement, he'll be required to make a public service message about predatory towing. Do you believe that this was predatory on these victims?
I mean, the insurance companies agreed and paid for an awfully long time, and he was offering services. I don't really have an opinion either way.
After serving house arrest, making restitution, and recording that public service announcement, his attorney says Fannick will try to put this matter behind him. She says he is leaving the towing business for good. Reporting in Greenfield, Andy Sheehan, KDKA-TV News.